Can't find your old Instagram stories in the archive? Try these fixes. Fix 1. Refresh the story archive setting. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom. At the top right, tap the 3 horizontal lines to open settings and activity. Here, tap on the archive option. Sometimes Instagram opens the Posts archive by default and doesn't switch to Stories archive, even when you tap at the top. This is a common glitch. To fix this, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down to your Apps and Media section. Click on the Archiving and Downloading option. Here, turn off the option, Save Story to Archive. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn the option back on. Now completely close Instagram and reopen it. Check your Stories archive again. For many users, this instantly fixes the issue. Fix 2. Offload the Instagram app. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Here, click on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and select the Instagram app. Here, tap Offload app. This removes cache files, bugs, and corrupted data. Your account and data stay safe. Once the app is offloaded, tap Reinstall app. Wait for Instagram to download and install a fresh version. Now open Instagram and check your archived stories again. And that's it. This instantly fixes the issue. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.